Hello and welcome to this software tutorial. In this video I will show you basic settings in the PIX Connect software regarding recording files and how to do snapshots. After the installation and running of the PIX Connect software and after downloading the calibration files, you see first the start screen, which shows you the standard layout. How can we record video files? Video sequences are saved as a radiometric file, which are called ravi files. Ravi files contain all temperature as well as measure area information. At any time, you can start to record a radiometric file by clicking on the menu File and Record. Alternative, you can also use the recording icon on the toolbar. The status of recording is displayed at the bottom notice bar and the background color will turn to a red color when recording. For stopping a video sequence, you can use either the menu File and Stop, or you can use the available stop icon on the toolbar. If the video sequence includes the expected content, you can save it via the menu File and Save Captured Video. Or you can save it via the icon on the toolbar. Enter a file name and click on Save. To open a recorded radiometric file, go to the menu File and Open. Double-click on your recorded file. With the remote buttons at the bottom of the screen, you have the possibility to control the playing file. In preparation to record a radiometric file called a ravi file, you have the possibility to set the recording frame rate. The camera's maximum frame rate depends on the camera model you are using and can be reduced. Go to the menu Tools, Configuration, and to the tab Recording. Here at this position you can set the recording frame rate. Usually the specification is in Hertz. Hertz means images per second. The software gets the full frame rate from your camera. That is why you need to define what to do with the images which are left if choosing a reduced frame rate. There are several alternatives to set the mode option. You can choose Off. That means the recording frame rate responds to the device frame rate of the camera. Skipping. This function skips so many pictures that the set display frame rate results. Average. The pixels are averaged out of a sequence of images. This weakens the detector noise. With minimum or maximum, the smallest or highest value is displayed for each pixel. Extended averaging. This is a combination of average and skipping and is used at very low frame rates. The averaging time indicates how many percent of the set frame time should be averaged. In the remaining time, the frames are skipped. For example, if the frame rate is 1 Hz and the averaging time is 100 milliseconds, then 100 milliseconds is averaged and 900 milliseconds is skipped. On the right side, you can see the general recording settings. Here you can set the recording time limit in seconds. If desired, the recording time limit sets fixed recording time in seconds. You can use a maximum of 86,400 seconds. That means 24 hours. After reaching the time limit, the software stops the recording. Choosing the option Save after recording is stopped, the images will be saved without further notice. If the option Play after recording is stopped is activated, the saved images will be played automatically in the main window. The recording contains radiometric videos, ravi files, which allows users to do a detailed post-analysis anytime later. Moreover, new measure areas and alarms can be created in addition to recorded data when doing the analysis. The temperature value of each pixel as well as information on defined measure areas is recorded. You can also do manually snapshots with the software PIX Connect. Snapshots can be captured via the menu File and Snapshot. Alternative, you can use the snapshot icon on the toolbar. After taking manually a snapshot, you can select a folder and save the snapshot with a file name. Click on Save. Alternative, the PIX Connect software can create a file name by a template. For this, go to the menu Configuration and to the tab Snapshots, Copy to Clipboard. Activate the item Generate File Name by Template. Click on Apply and OK. As you can see, if you take now a snapshot manually, the PIX Connect software is saving the file without any requests. As you have seen, it's very easy to take snapshots and to do recordings with the software PIX Connect.